need a new light in my heart to guide me through the dark. I need a new love in my bed, she's bleeding me to death. I need a new place to call home, 'cause I ain't welcome where I'm from. I need a new love in my life, she cut me like a knife. So oh Carolina, won't you rescue my heart? It's barely beating, I'm begging for a new start. I'm crying, I won't snap to the phone. To my Carolina heart, to my Carolina heart. I need a new path to walk along, one that won't leave me lost. I need a new flat to rest my head before I wind up dead. I need some new blood in my veins to guide me through the pain. I need a new life to call my own, somewhere that feels like home. So oh Carolina, won't you rescue my heart? It's barely beating, I'm begging for a new start. I'm crying, I hope it's not too far. To my Carolina heart, to my Carolina heart.
Oh boy.
What's the damage report? I think we're all good. It slid into a little bit of a rock there. Yeah, we're all good. Just a little bit of a slip and slide right there. I think we'll just roll right out of that.